In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Lovable websites 2025, step by step. We'll start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and search for Lovable. Look for the official site and head there. Once you're on the home page, find the login option. Click it, then choose Continue with Email. Enter the email address you use for your Lovable account, click Continue, and then enter your password. Click Log in to access your dashboard. If you see any security prompts, just follow them to complete the sign-in. Inside the dashboard, locate the project you created earlier and open it. This is the project you'll be preparing to sell. Now look for the GitHub icon within the project interface. Click it to start the export process. Choose Connect GitHub. If this is your first time, you'll be asked to authorize access. Select the organization or personal account where you want the code to live. Be sure you have the right permissions and that the chosen organization is where your client work should be stored. If you see a prompt to transfer anyway, review the notice and click Transfer Anyway to proceed. This step pushes your project's code to GitHub so you can package and deliver it professionally. Once the transfer completes, you'll see a link or a view option below to access the repository or preview. Click it to confirm everything looks correct. Inside GitHub, click the code button, then choose Download Zip. This gives you a clean snapshot of the files you can share or archive. With your exported files ready, you can sell them as a deliverable. Package the zip along with a simple README that explains how to install and run the site, outline what's included, and clarify licensing or usage terms. Set expectations on support and revisions so your buyer knows exactly what they're getting. Alternatively, you can host the site yourself and sell access. Deploy the project to your preferred hosting platform, set up a custom domain if needed, and create a plan for ongoing updates. Selling access can be subscription-based or a flat fee with maintenance. Make sure you document login details and onboarding steps for the client without sharing any sensitive credentials in plain text. Finally, promote your services. Showcase before and after examples, highlight real results like speed, conversions, or design improvements, and present clear packages with timelines. Encourage testimonials and keep communication simple and professional. By following these steps, you'll be able to export, deliver, and monetize Lovable websites with confidence.